Bitcoin current price about $92,000. Today is day number 2,521 of me buying $1 of Bitcoin every day in a row. I haven't done one of these updates in a while, so just kind of checking in and showing where I'm at. The big topic today, Bitcoin is expensive, but you can still dollar cost average to whatever amount that you want to get to. For some people, that's 0.21 Bitcoin because then you have a fraction of the 21 million. Some people talk about 0.01 or 0.1. It's good to set a goal. I don't know if any of those numbers really matter. You should just dollar cost average and get as much as you can get if you believe in Bitcoin. I don't want to look at any charts or anything today. You know, Bitcoin can go up or down in the short term. I can't tell you what's going to happen. But over the long term, it's the idea that this is a new monetary system that can kind of defeat inflation. And for dollar cost averaging, you can use simple apps. I like to use Strike app now. That's what I use to buy my Bitcoin. I just set this up to auto buy every day, $1. Here's my current balance in here. And then I'll just send this over to this wallet every once in a while. So you could use Strike, you could use Cash App. I have tutorials for all of that stuff on my channel if you want to see more detailed view of how to dollar cost average using those. But let's go ahead and do the math on this. I'll just refresh this so we have $11,902. And then over on my Strike app, we have about $51. Plus 51 equals $11,953. And I haven't done my buy for today, so technically we're on day 2520. So divide this by 2520, and that equals a 4.74x. So overall, a 4.74x on my investment. That's very strong. 11,953 minus 2,520 days equals $9,433 gained. So you can't deny the daily dollar cost average strategy for Bitcoin. It's definitely working, and it's easy. You can do it on Strike, you can do it on Cash App, and you can do it on these two apps with no fees. If you set up the auto invest features, which I've shown, you could use other apps like Robinhood probably. The strategy works. You can still get to 0.21 Bitcoin. You probably want to do like $5 a day, $10 a day at this point rather than the $1 a day that I do. I started 2,500 days ago, so Bitcoin was much cheaper then. And I'm not accumulating as much these days, just very slow. So if you're starting now and you do want to get to that 0.21 fast, maybe $5 a day, $10 a day. You can see I'm at 0.129. So if I keep doing this, eventually I'll reach that 0.21, but it's just very slow. But yeah, that's today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.